But before that, don't forget to like, to subscribe, guys, and to press the bell button in order for you to be updated in all my videos. And today we are rolling up now to the city of Fairbanks where we are living. We are going to the bank right now, and the weather is so freezing. It's very cold. So here we are. This is our city, the city where we are living, and we are going to the bank to withdraw it's not our, it's my salary. I work hard for this, and I want to show to all my followers and to give thanksgiving to all of you guys for all your support to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much, everyone. And as you can see, here we are now in the city, almost there in the bank. So here we are now in the bank. That is the bank here in Fairbanks, Alaska, the Mount McKinley Bank. So I am so excited, of course. You know, it's not a big amount, but for me, it is already a big help for me because, you know, every time that I am sending money to my family, to my son, to my mom, you know, I keep on cutting a little bit in order for all those people that asking me to help them, you know, just like the working student, the old woman who is a widow, and the family are not really helping because they are poor. So that is why I told my husband to withdraw everything, because before I was gonna send that one, guys, I want to hold it, you know. I'm so happy and I'm so excited. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, hello everyone. Hello, I am your host, Alicia Meller, and I don't know how to tell you all of this, but you know, I am so happy and overwhelmed for the result of my YouTube channel, of course, the Alicia Meller Ministry. And today I would like to, you know, it's a big blessing for me, and I am not expecting to receive all these blessings, you know, after 3 years of working hard. And dumating na sa point that, you know, I am already discouraged. But since I am not American, I am Filipino, I said someday, somehow, I will gonna go back to my homeland. So, and all this, you know, video that I am sharing in YouTube, I said, you know, it's just only a remembrance that, you know, once upon a time, I live here in Alaska for about 5 years now. So today, guys, after 3 years, you know, I receive already my salary. So, and I am so thankful about that one. Okay, we're gonna share you later, okay, because this is really very important, you know, an encouragement to all the bloggers like me that, you know, don't know anything about blogging, especially that I don't know about the computer and everything. I don't know how to use the laptop, but you know, it's just like slowly I've learned everything. Even though, you know, facing in camera, I am shy because I am not used to be like that. You know, hindi naman tayo artista, hindi naman tayo mga newscaster, you know, to face the camera. But, you know, through this YouTube channel, you know, I've learned a lot and I gain a lot, like facing, you know, in front of the camera, keep on talking, and, you know, since I live already overseas for a long time, for about 18 years before I flew here in the United States. So of course, you know, yung mga salita ko, it's halo-halo, okay? But I am an Ilonggo. I am from General Santos City. Hello, shout out General Santos City. And of course, before anything else, guys, I would like, okay, share ko how much, and you know, I've earned for the past two years that, you know, I am monetized. I have a lot of problem, but I keep on asking, I keep on, you know, watching the tutorial, but it's just like, it's hard for me to learn. It's so difficult, you know, I cannot understand. I said, okay, it's up to you, Lord, if you were gonna allow all this, but it's just like, it hurt me that, you know, they will not give my salary because I work hard for that, you know. Every time, sometimes, you know, my husband is already get mad to me because instead that we were gonna talk, we cannot talk, you know, especially the confidential one, because all the time, you know, my camera are like this and like that. And aside from that, I studied photography also, so he bought me a lot of, you know, camera. I have 4 camera actually, Canon, mga high-tech pa yon, pang international, pang Olympics, pang sports talaga na mga camera. I have my GoPro, I have my drone, how many camera, and you know, it's so, I said, oh wow. But, you know, my husband is not really, you know, pushing me or forcing me, you need to earn like that, because he knows that, you know, I am also, you know, alone most of the time. Naho-homesick din ako, and hindi naman tayo kagaya ng Pilipinas na may kapitbahay to, you know, to talk to and to have amenities to other people, because, you know, American, they don't like about that one. And above all, you know, sometimes if I talk to them, they cannot understand because of my accent. So, first of all, I would like to thank, you know, lahat ng mga pinasukan ko ng mga live streaming, nakalimutan ko na yung iba. But, you know, I would like to say a special mention. Okay, si Maxim, nakalimutan ko na, hindi ko na nakita. Si Christ the Follower, thank you so much. Boss Jobs, thank you. Jooms TV, thank you, Jooms. And of course, Len Journey of the Team Chubanes. I joined once upon a time in the team, you know, Team Chubanes. Pero hindi ako nagtagal kasi kailangan talaga yung mga resibo, kailangan nakababad ka. And, you know, at that time, we keep already on traveling. Kaya sabi ko, wag na muna. So, I am so thankful kasi naintindihan nila ako. Thank you so much, Lynn Journey. And of course, si Hilton Saldivar, he is always there. Virgie, thank you. Arbal TV, thank you. Surly, mga kabats ko yan sila. Si Ding Lilis, andyan. Bornable team, you know, lagi ako nandun kay Bornable. Nakababad ako doon. Kay Fix and Review, laging nandyan. Okay, Marisa Del Mars, kay Ann Explorer. Wow, 3 o'clock in the morning, nandoon ako, nakababad ako. Parang wala na akong tulog. Grabe ang kayod ko, just, you know, to have a 1,000 subscriber, at saka yung, ano ko, yung, watch hour ko, it's so difficult, but I said I have a lot of gadgets. Gumagawa ako every night, parang 8 to 10 hours na live. Mag-show up lang ako for about 30 minutes or 1 hour, and then nagpapa-music pa ako at that time. Daming nag-a-advise, oh, makapiright ka, makapiright, but I said I don't care. And then it turned out na lahat ng mga videos ko, especially the live na mga mahahaba, na ano pa, na copyright pa nga. So, kailangan ko i-delete lahat. So, instead na I've reached already the 4,000 within 6 months, na-reach ko na, back na naman ako sa 300, more than 2,000 watts hour. So, kayod na naman ako ng kayod. So, finally, you know, last 2 years ago, last December of 2022, na monetize ako. But when I monetize, you know, it's just like, yung mga address ko, magkaiba pa, they send me the wrong address, no? Send pa nila sa Hong Kong, send nila sa Pilipinas, and I said, no, it's here. Ang dami kong ano. So, finally, na ano na nila, naka-receive ako ng mail. Actually, talagang 3 times ako pinadalhan ni, ano, no Google AdSense ng mail about that one. So, finally, and then at that time, you know, yung mga currency pa ng, ano, ng ano tawag dito, currency. So they are putting it in Hong Kong. No, I have no bank in Hong Kong like this. I am putting in my, you know, US bank. So tapos parang hindi pa nila in-approve. So sabi ko, hayaan mo na. If I can receive, no, I can receive. If God will gonna work out for this for me, if that is for me, talagang it's for me, hindi ba? May kasabihan tayo sa Pilipino, kung hindi okol, hindi okol, hindi I don't know, kung hindi okol, hindi bubukol, parang ganon. Okay, so thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Okay, kay Ann Explorer, sila ang nagpag-graduate sa akin, si Ann Explorer. Sino pa yun? So, si Alex Drummer, sino pa ang dami, parang nakalimutan ko na. I'm so sorry guys, but you know, I really remember you. It's in my heart talaga. So, si Kuya Tatsuki, si Ori Official, thank you. Si iBit TV, si Lydia Reyes, thank you. Si Ging Hong Kong, thank you sa inyong lahat for all the help. You know, they are the one who's teaching me about this YouTube channel. So, ang dami. So, minsan, siyempre yung mga kabats ko, yung iba sa akin, parang ilang beses ako nag-graduate. Can you imagine? Ilang beses ka nag-graduate. Sa akin parang 5 times kasi nag-graduate na ako. Kinain na naman, nag-graduate ako. Alam mo, I'm not a summa cum laude. Talagang repeater ako when it comes to YouTube channel. But, you know, through this YouTube channel, you know, I gain my confidence in facing the camera. I don't care. Kasi sabi ko, I have no personality. Hindi ako maganda. And besides, I am so simple. Hindi ako mga makeup or whatever. Wala. So, plain lang talaga. So, I don't care if, you know, kung ano man ang mukha ko. Yung iba nga sabi ko, if they can do it, why can't I? Okay? So, ayun, na-gain ko until, you know, the way I talk. Before, you know, alam mo yon, hindi ka naman ganun ka, hindi ba? Ganun. So, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. So, salamat. But, you know, the purpose why I am, you know, I do this one is because I am sharing the word of God. I am a Christian woman, okay? And my husband also is Christian. As you can see, you know, this is our cute, you know, office here. The office of my husband, I am only using, you know, when he is not using. So, thank you. Ano lang, yung mga kailangan natin, you know, focus tayo, be patient. Hindi, yung pinagtrabahuan mo, hindi yun bubunga right away. Especially here in the social media, maraming competition, hindi lang ikaw. And aside from that, mga, you know, like us, we are an ordinary people, we have no name, hindi tayo kilala sa susyudad or whatever is that. So, ang mahirap sa atin. But, you know, I'm thankful dahil lahat tayo nagsusuportahan. And only the thing, you know, if there is some advantage in YouTube channel, there are also some disadvantage. Yung nangingisda ka, yung baguhan ka pa lang, feeling prima donna ka na, hindi ka man lang mag-una ng, nandyan na nakaplastar na yung mga link na ganyan. Parang hintayin mo pa na ikaw pa unahan. Ako hindi, ang ugali ko, hindi ako naghihintay na ako unahan. Kung maunahan man nila ako, I'm so thankful, re-replyan ko agad. So kahit maliit na bahay, malaki lang yan, basta ako mag-uuna ako ng ng pangisda. Ako nag-uuna, I don't care. Alam yan ng mga you know, mga channel na nagjo-join ako. When I am joining their channel, you know, nakababad ako doon. Hindi ako nakatunganga lang. Talagang ako, nangingisda ako. So kaya and the second thing there is, you know, I am consistent when it comes to uploading. If I have no, you know, after 2 days, kailangan within 2 days meron akong long video. But every day, as much as possible, talagang may 2 to 3 videos ako na short. Especially nung parang, nilaunch na nila yung short videos. So, every day, may short video ako. I don't care kung ano man yan. Basta may short video ako, consistent that I have every day in my whole life. Except lang pag wala kaming internet that I am outside of, you know, the city, nasa kabundukan kami because that is the job of my husband. So, ayun, consistent, be patient. But dumating ako, simpre yung patient mo, may ultimatum din yun. Just like sabi ko, walang pag-asa to na maano, kasi may mga problema ako sa, when it comes to address, when it comes to, you know, US dollar. Alangan isisend nila sa ibang bansa, nandito ako sa United States. So, sabi ko, hayaan mo na lang. Sabi ko, it is my remembrance na lang na andito ako sa United States na kapag ikot ako kung saan man kami napupunta. So, sabi ko, remembrance ko na lang. Pero talagang nagbunga. So, I'm so thankful. Okay, guys, be consistent in all your, you know, what you are doing, uploading. Kung wala kang long video, short video, at least every day mayroon ka. Kasi minomonitor yan ni YouTube. Tingnan mo yung mga yung mga views, even though you are already monetized, yung watch hour mo, minomonitor niya yan. Yung views mo, minomonitor niya. Yung subscriber mo, minomonitor niya rin. That is why may analytics dyan. Tinitingnan mo at saka yung revenue mo. So, I'm so thankful. Within 2 years, guys, last December, 2 beses ako nagsahod. So, I was shocked. And then, the third time is ngayong January, this year na, 2024, January 21. But it's Sunday, kaya sa 22, na-receive ko na yung So, winidraw ko na, guys. So, I will gonna show you, guys, kung ilan ang aking na-withdraw. And I'm so thankful, lahat pinapasalamatan ko, and above all, our Almighty God for allowing all these things. Guys, huwag kayong magsawa, huwag kayong ma-discourage. Kasi ako, inubos ko na yung lahat ng discouragement. The only thing that is in my mind is only, you know, a remembrance. Pero this remembrance, it worked out. Nagbunga siya. The fruit of my labors is already there. Aside from, I keep on praying. And aside from I keep on praying, I said, Lord, and I have so many people that are, you know, asking a help. May sinusuportahan ako mga estudyante at yung mga matatanda na parang abandon na sila. Ang dami kong tinutulungan, you know. And, you know guys, lahat tayo, we are working hard for this, you know, for this channel, for this vlog that we are right now. So, ang sa akin lang, you know, wag na tayong you know, the bad thing that I don't like is soliciting. I'm asking for a solicitation. You are also working hard. I am also working hard. May mga nakatalaga na. Kaya sasabihin na, oh, balato naman dyan, whatever like that. That is, you know, the mentality of the Filipino. You know, whatever, you wait for your turn. If someone will gonna give it to you, it will gonna offer you. So, you should be thankful. Pero yung talagang personal na mag-solicit ka or you know, balato naman dyan, parang it's not a good thing. Kasi lahat tayo may mga nakapromise na. Just like, sabi ko sa asawa ko, I'm not discouraged at all. Kasi ang daming mga Pilipino, sa Pilipino na lang, Filipino country, maraming naging maganda ang kanilang buhay because of the social media. Pero wag tayong mang-scam, wag naman tayong mag-solicit or whatever. You can do on your own whatever is that. Wag tayong mag-ano. If someone will gonna offer you just like may palipad, you should be thankful about that one. But you know, actually yung maghingi ka talaga, it's not a good idea. Manghingi ka ng balato because nagkasahod siya. If it is only a joke, then yeah, it's a joke. Pero wag ka naman mag-private message like this and like that. It's not a good idea. It's not a good attitude actually. So, ayun lang ang aking masasabi. And today guys, I will gonna show you. I'm so excited to show you guys. Okay, this is really my salary, okay? Ipapakita ko. I have my video, okay? So, ayan siya. Yung asawa ko kasi masyadong stricto when it comes sa, okay? That one. 900, okay? 943.49, okay? Ayan. I-ano nyo na, screenshot nyo na. So, and, of course, this is the money that I received. Okay, guys, ito may nakalaan na, okay? My family and I have a 2 student na tinutulungan. I have one, you know, matanda na siya na, abandon na siya, 85 years old. So, you know, this was the money, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Huh? Where's the other one? Yeah, it's 943. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's 9. It's 943, guys. Okay, ito na siya. So, ayan. Okay, so I will gonna make more of the, you know, a video regarding about it one, paano namin na natangga, paano ako nag-withdraw. So I will gonna show you, pero hindi na ako nag-withdraw, nakaiwan ako sa sasakyan because I am taking care of our puppies and my husband is the one who withdraw. Sabi ko, gusto ko i-withdraw lahat kasi gusto ko mahawakan. But you know guys, bumili ako ng isang gadget na naman. So, for my, you know, my vlogging. And I'm so thankful. And of course, guys, don't forget, I have my viral. Viral na po ako ngayon sa FB page ko, Alicia Meller Videos and Photography. If you want to subscribe me or follow me, nandoon. Viral na po ako. So, I am already earning because I started that one last year, April. Tapos, sumikat lang siya last November, December, January, February, apat na buwan. Kasi doon parang nandi ako, parang bahala system o magputok ka man, mag-viral ka man or hindi. At least I have my remembrance. Talagang nag-viral siya. I have a lot and it's international, hindi Filipino, mostly Europe, Middle East, South America, you know, Canada. Ang dami ko international. Kaya talagang viral siya. So, that's it guys. Alicia Meller Videos and Photography. I-follow nyo ako. And of course here. And you know guys, don't hesitate to follow me. Kasi binabalikan ko kayo as long as may bakas kayo. Magsilip man lang kayo or whatsoever may bakas. Kahit hindi kayo nanonood. I know some people are like that. You know, parang ang sagwa. Tingnan nyo, hindi kayo. Kasi ang daya nyo, wag tayong mandaya guys. Parang pupunta ka lang din sa silip. Kailangan kasi 1 minute ang view ninyo para ma-considered as 1 view. Pag nagpunta ka lang doon seconds tapos watching watching mom, tapos you're gone. That is not considered as a views, okay? So, tapos kayo, gusto nyo mabalikan kayo agad. So, that is a part of, you know, scamming other people. If, you know, kung anong ginagawa nyo sa iba, gagawin din yun sa'yo. So, tingnan nyo, hindi lumalago yung ano nyo, yung YouTube nyo. So, mga technique lang yan, guys. Yung mga right and, you know, positive. Be positive this year 2024. Be positive tayong lahat. Huwag tayong maging negative. Pag ma-discourage tayo, sa atin na lang yun. Okay, I am talking with myself, I am talking to God, I am talking to my husband, my frustration, but I am not talking about here. Ngayon ko lang isinare, kasi I want to encourage all of you guys. Lahat tayo nag-umpisa sa wala. I have no knowledge completely about this one, but I am so thankful. Sinining lifestyle pa pala ng Hong Kong. She's the one who teach me before, okay? Celine Journey. Sino pa? Si Iris Dalagit. So, they are the one who's teaching me si DC Nicholas. Sila yung mga nagtuturo sa akin ano ang gagawin ko like this and like that. Because as I've told you, I am completely innocent about the YouTube channel. So, that's it guys. I'm so happy, you know. Sana panoorin nyo ito, okay? So that you can learn. Because really, you can learn a lot. Okay? Thank you so much and God bless you all. This is all, guys. Talagang tumataginting the US dollar. Okay? Thank you so much and God bless everyone. Kayo din, okay? You should listen to me because I've already done about all of this negative, all the hard work and this one. You should listen to me because this is real, okay? So that's it, and bye-bye! So right now I am showing you guys that this is my salary, so YouTube salary. I really want. I asked my husband, you should withdraw everything because I want really to hold all my salary. So this is the receipt. Guys, I'm not bragging this one. I'm just only showing it to you, you know, because people, you know, want the evidence in order for them to believe, just like the saying, you know, to see is to believe. So this is it, guys. Okay, I want also to hold my money before I was gonna send to anyone that, you know, there's a lot of already that are waiting for this, indicated for all this as money that I have. So that's it. And of course, you know, to inspire all the small YouTuber like me. I am only an ordinary, a small YouTubers, no name at all, but here I am right now, you know, encouraging everyone. Okay, as you can see guys, this is my ongoing salary this January. So I will receive that this coming February. But last January, last month, that is my salary.